taking this old purse that I don't really use anymore, and we're gonna spice it up. So what we're gonna do is we're going to glue right over the label with a hot glue gun. And I'm just taking this Alice in Wonderland bow. You can get any bow you would like, but I'm gonna theme this bag to be like Alice in Wonderland. So you're just gonna press that on for a minute or two, just to make sure it's secure. And over here, I kind of cut it because it used to be part of a costume, so there's a little rip. So I'm just gonna glue that together so it doesn't like keep falling apart. So the next step is taking these really cute little cards that I got from Michaels. They're just like part of the mini collections. Like, you know when you make like doll houses and like there's just all mini stuff at Michaels? I found these in that section and they're just like little play cards. So now I'm just going to glue them now that I've lined them up and I got them all spaced out to where I want them to be. Don't use too much glue. You don't need that much. Just make sure they're secure and they're not going to fall off. Once you're done, this is what the bag should look like. It's really cute and girly, and it's very Alice in Wonderland inspired. You can add more if you would like, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this for now. So the next DIY project that I have for you guys today is this Alice in Wonderland little jewelry tray, or you can put whatever you would like on it. It could just be a decor piece in your room. You could print out an Alice from Alice in Wonderland and Mod Podge it at the bottom if you want, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. All I have to do is hot glue it. I didn't want to move the idea of what I had going on. I purchased this from Michaels. It's just a charm that you put on a necklace. And over here, the cards from Michaels as well in the little itty bitty section. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this. So this is what it should look like when it's done. You can add whatever else you want, and that is the final result. The next project that I have for you guys has to do with these little mini frames. They have stands in the back for them to stand up. I'm not sure where you can purchase these. I had these given to me. But I can tell you where I got some of the stuff. I got these Jack and Sally cute little buttons from Michaels, I believe. I got this spoon and that fork from Hobby Lobby. I think it was either Hobby Lobby or Michaels. I'm not quite sure because I take a lot of trips to the craft store and I go to multiple ones, so I couldn't really tell you, but from my memory, that's what I believe. That's where I believe I went. So the next one that I have here is just the cards again. I wanted to use them up, so I just threw a bunch in this cute little frame, and then you can like have it stand up, or you can like hang it on your wall, like put like a string on it and have them hanging. I think this one's really cute. I'm gonna put some printed out pictures, maybe like a picture of Ariel right here, and right here I'm gonna do one of Ratatouille, and then I'm gonna glue each and every charm to the picture frame. And yeah, let's get right into making these. So I printed this image off of Google. It's just like all the red roses and white roses with a clock and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out. So now you're gonna wanna put your drink me tag in the frame and then put your cutout behind that. And you can fix it to look however you want. So I'm gonna move this down a little bit, and that's the final result. It's so cute. So this is the final outcome of my little DIY project. I hope you guys really like the outcome of these. I'm gonna see if I can bring them a little bit closer. So this one is Ratatouille and the Eiffel Tower, and I glued a spoon to the side. This one is Sally, and I just glued the Sally button on the side. I really think this one is my favorite. Next we have Jack Skellington with a little Jack Skellington button. Then I made this Mickey Mouse Club one. It's very vintage and it's super adorable. This one is also adorable and it's so retro. I love how I added the little coral piece at the top with the fork. I think it's so cute. And the last two are Alice in Wonderland related. This one says drink me with the little background, the clock, and the roses. And this one over here is a deck of cards to be like Alice in Wonderland. So I really enjoyed making these, and I think it's a really fun and cute and easy project for you guys, and I wanted to share with you all. So I hope you guys make something like this, and if you do, please don't forget to tag me in your post on Instagram. I would love to see how your projects come out. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and also don't forget to follow all my social media. Everything will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.